Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and some of you might have, depending on the display you have, noticed that there's been some improvement lately in the rendering of text from web browsers. And so Edge, Google Chrome, or any Chromium-based browser, even if you use Brave, for example. And this has to do with Microsoft that pushed one of its enhanced rendering features in the Chrome or the Chromium project. So what happened is that some users were complaining that sometimes, depending on the display and the settings you use, text wasn't totally clear on the specific rendering that Google uses or that Chromium uses, which is the Skia text rendering engine. And so Microsoft wanted to fix this, and they've been testing it on the Canary build of Edge for a while, and now finally have implemented that in the Chromium project. And so this benefits everybody and has, of course, better representation, better contrast of text. And this is for every browser that is Chromium-based because it is directly done within the Chromium project itself. All versions of any browser that have been up to date this month are all having this improvement. Now, some of you, depending on how you test out or use your browsers, might not notice it, but definitely there are some people that do. There have been some comments on online of people mentioning that the contrast has been improved on the browser. They were wondering exactly what happened, and it all has to do with that new way of rendering text that Microsoft has pushed in the Chromium project. So Google Chrome, Brave, Opera, every browser is Edge, of course, is affected by this, meaning that now there could be a better contrast of your the text rendering on your browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.